10th class board exams are around the corner, and I have planned to make a series of mathematics video for 10th graders before exam. Name of the series will be A Month Before Exam. I am planning to make a series of videos, one video or two video for each chapter, which will cover your whole syllabus within 15 or 20 days, so that before examination, students who have prepared well throughout the year and students who could not study because of any reason और टालते रहते बच्चे फिर पढ़ेंगे तो मॉर्निंग इज व्हेन यू वेक्स अप, जब जागे तभी सवेरा. स्टिल यू हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम कंसीडरिंग योर सिलेबस. अगर अभी भी कोई बच्चा कोशिश करे और एक महीना जी जान से ताकत लगाए तो वो बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर सकता है. और मुझे इस बात पे एक पैरेटो प्रिंसिपल याद आता है. पैरेटो प्रिंसिपल, आई स्टडीड दिस इन माय मैनेजमेंट. पैरेटो प्रिंसिपल. Pareto principle says rule of 80-20 means to say achieving more by doing less. Or you can apply this. Now you can achieve 80% of your syllabus by 20% of your efforts. 80% का आप 80% स्कोर कर सकते हो आप. और इस चीज को ऐसे भी आप डेली लाइफ में भी यूज करते. 80% ऑफ आवर एक्सपेंसेस बीइंग caused by the 20% of our causes. 80% of effects come from the 20% of causes. This is the Pareto principle, and applying this you can still achieve very good score. From childhood, we are going through a saying, slow and steady wins the race. स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. हमें कछुए और खरगोश की कहानी बचपन से पढ़ाई गई, पर उस टाइम हमें उसका रिलीवेंस पता नहीं था. जैसे जैसे हम बड़े हुए, जब पता लग गया, तो उसका रिलीवेंस तो आज भी उतना ही कारगर है. एक कंसिस्टेंट बच्चा एक इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे से लाइफ में आगे निकल ही जाता है. और मैनी ए लिटिल मेक्स ए मिकल, और बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता. अगर आप थोड़ा थोड़ा एफर्ट्स लगाते रहोगे तो डेफिनेटली आप बहुत कुछ अचीव कर पाओगे. तो I want to start this series with a thought, that is power of consistency. If you are consistent, definitely you are to leave this world behind. Let it be a student or any other professional. A rule of 100 is also based on consistency, a famous rule. That is, if rule of 100 means if you are dedicating 18 minutes to a discipline consistently for a year, that it becomes almost 100 hours. You will be top 5% among in that particular discipline. Let it be a art, writing skills, dance, music, or any other discipline. So this rule of 100 hours simply says that there is no substitute of consistency. As Albert Einstein said, compoundation is the eighth wonder in this world. Those who follow it earn it, and those do not pay for it. अगर आठवां अजूबा कुछ है वो एक कंपाउंडेशन है. जब चीजें कंपाउंड होती हैं तो एक कितना मिराकुलस रिजल्ट लाती हैं, इसको हम मैथमेटिकली एक बार देखते हैं. इफ यू आर इंप्रूविंग योर सेल्फ 1% डेली, लेट्स you are 1 today. If you are improving 1%, the next day you will be 1.01. If you will compounding this to 365 times, 365, you can calculate this, you will get about 37.8 times. Or simply you can say, if you will improve yourself 1% daily, that you will be 38 times better person within a year. And decompoundation, you can also think of it. It is also a very serious issue. If you are degrading yourself, if you will degrade yourself by 1% daily, means by next day you will be 0.99. If you will compound this with 365, this will be 0.0, I think 25, or around 1 by 400. Best things come faster, worst things come faster, you can say. You will be, if you will degrade yourself 1% daily, let it be health wise or let it be your knowledge wise, you will be 1 by 400 times of what you are today, means you will degrade by 400 times within a year. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होत सजान. तो इस पे भी हम देखें छोटी छोटी ये all these things make us to think for a consistency, and this consistency is not for student, this consistency is also applicable for all field in your life. Or this was my introductory video to start this series 1 month before exams, a month before exam. So we'll continue this with one chapter a day. I hope that will be very beneficial to you, and you can grow in compoundation exponentially. You can grow with me, or definitely I'm going to help you through this journey of 1 month before your exam. आप एक एक चीज को ध्यान से पढ़िए. डेफिनेटली आई विल प्रोवाइड यू few questions which have been appeared in previous papers, or which are important or probable questions, and I will try to provide one exercise daily for that chapter. And your doubts, for your doubts, there will be separate video, or that solutions will be on comment box. Hopefully this initiative will change in your way to achieve good marks in your final examinations, board examinations. Best of luck, all the best.